Get him. Get him. Get. Raj, what are you doing? You're just letting her walk all over you. She's gnawing on your face and your legs. I love they play so well. Up under you. Ducks. Chickens. More chickens in the future. Dogs still going at it. Right. They've been going at it for a while, so I decided to videotape them. Okay, get her. Don't let her do it. She'll just gnaw on you. You know it. You gotta tell her to stop. You guys tell her stop. Tell her stop. He's like, look how big my teeth are. It ain't working, dude. She don't care. Look at her. She's biting your face. She's attaching herself to you. Rah. Get him. Thunder. Stopped her for a second and then back on him. She'll be tired soon. They love each other.